Oxygen sensor data drives real-time engine control and triggers codes. But scan values only have meaning when you know what the ECU expects and what the system is actually doing. In this lesson, learn how to interpret O2 sensor readings for real diagnostic answers. Before faults appear, oxygen sensor data rapidly switches between low and high voltage as the engine maintains stoichiometric air-fuel ratio. This rapid cycling is the feedback signal the ECU uses for closed-loop control. Recognizing this healthy base pattern is the foundation for spotting issues. The ECU doesn't measure air or fuel directly. It reads the voltage signal from the O2 sensor and interprets it as rich or lean. Every decision it makes for fueling corrections and code triggers depends on this input, filtered through its enable criteria and plausibility checks. Interpreting O2 sensor data means asking, what should the voltage and switching pattern look like for the engine state we see? Compare live scan values to known good patterns. Fast switching at idle and cruise, stable high or low, only in special conditions. A stuck or slow response outside expected operating conditions is a key evidence point. If O2 sensor data appears abnormal, check related PIDs. Is a second O2 sensor showing the same pattern? Do fuel trims respond as expected? Comparing these signals can quickly tell you if the problem is the sensor, exhaust leak, fueling, or a shared wiring issue. The next diagnostic test depends on where patterns break down. Use your scan data evaluation to choose the next test. If O2 sensors and related PIDs agree, suspect an upstream system fault. If one sensor disagrees, verify wiring or perform a direct sensor voltage test. Always let the evidence from scan data and system logic guide which tests prove or eliminate each possible cause. Don't fall for the trap of swapping O2 sensors just because a scan value looks off. Without checking conditions, comparing related data, and verifying with direct measurement, you risk missing a wiring fault, exhaust leak, or system problem, and wasting parts and time. Always match oxygen sensor scan data to the correct operating condition. Check expected versus actual patterns. Compare with related signals, and use evidence to pick your next test. This way, you'll prove or eliminate causes. Never just guess. Thank you for watching. STEP Diagnostics delivers real-world skills for scan data interpretation and electrical fault finding.